Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love. And today is no exception. I'm sharing with you a very traditional recipe from Mexico, that of Cafe De Olla, Mexico's traditional coffee beverage. For this recipe, we're going to need 370 grams of water, 4 cloves, 2 grams of Mexican cinnamon, also known as Ceylon cinnamon, 30 grams of piloncillo, 30 grams of Mexican coffee, medium roast, and some families like to add a tiny piece of orange peel and star anise, but I personally think that this overpowers the recipe. It is said that Cafe de Olla began during the Mexican Revolution, when the women in the front lines, called the Adelitas, were making this drink for the soldiers to give them energy. The name Cafe de Olla roughly translates to coffee from a pot, the pot being an earthen clay pot, which plays a really important ingredient in the recipe because it provides a very unique flavor to the coffee. The most traditional basic form of the recipe is simply cinnamon and piloncillo, which is an unrefined cane sugar. Obviously, the recipe, as most Mexican recipes, is going to vary a little bit from family to family and region to region. But this recipe that I'm giving you today is my favorite way to serve it. As the water comes off the boil, add your coffee and steep for 4 minutes. It's just perfect. I can taste the cinnamon, I can taste a little bit of the clove. Obviously it's sweet because of the piloncillo, yet I can taste the coffee. Nothing is overpowering. Everything is just perfectly balanced. To me, this is such a beautiful representation of the rusticness of Mexican cuisine and also an important beverage in our history. Have you ever had Cafe de Olla? Let me know in the comments if you have, and if you try this recipe, tell me how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss any new recipes. Buen provecho.